At one point, sinabi ko pa, Lord, pwede bang tanggalin mo yung 5th commandment to honor your mother and father? Kasi hirap na hirap akong gawin yan. How can you honor your mom who doesn't provide? How can you honor your dad who doesn't help? Ang hirap kasi hindi ko na-experience yung normal life. Hindi ako nagkaroon ng ordinary childhood. Imbis na naglalaro ka, nagbabasa ka ng libro, or nag-enjoy ka, I was working. Now that I grew up and now that I'm here helping people, I realized there was a purpose.
Which is?
So that I will be tested, so that I would learn, so that I would grow, so that I would understand faith and be of help to Him
Wow.
today. Kasi sabi ko, God, kung hindi naging mahirap yung childhood, hindi ako magbi-business. Hindi ako, mapupunta kung nasaan ako right now. Kasi dun sa mga struggles mo, dun sa mga pain points mo, dun mo matututunan how to negotiate, how to haggle, how to be resourceful, how to do business.
Yeah.
That's where you learn it. Through trial and error. And I had a lot of it.